Hi guys, now we have a Tad's phonics, which this one is actually the newest version so far. It's kind of similar to the 2014 version. It has a on and off switch with a low volume.
Put a letter tile into the apple. Put a letter tile into the apple.
And a high volume. This button plays the ABC song, as well as a song about letters, the letter names. And then it has the letters, and it has all the letters as the other versions.
Put a letter tile into the apple.
It has the letters of the other versions, but it also has photo frames.
Cutie pie.
This is me. It comes with best mom ever, best dad ever, and me, with a red heart around it, which is so cool. This one, just like the 2014 version, I don't think you can hang on the wall. Oh, and nobody's ever done a review of this before. I actually got this
Put a letter tile into the apple.
brand new in the box. It has a little level switch on it. So currently it's at level 1. It's like level 1 to give the letter names. Letter
D. Dinosaurs. Dancing dinosaurs.
Level 2 it gives a phrase with the letter, and then level 3 it gives the phonics song like all of them have.
D. D says D says every letter makes a sound. D says
Or you can push
D.
it.
D. Dinosaurs. Dancing dinosaurs. D. D says D says every letter makes a sound. Put a letter tile into the apple.
Is it with all the letters?
U says U says U.
This one's shaped in an apple, by the way.
Makes the sound U.
And it has, it has the apple shape on it.
Stop recording button.
And yeah, it's just shaped in an apple. And it has Tad's voice. And it's the newest version. And definitely pretty neat. So I give Leapfrog a huge thumbs up for this. And all the other models. Because I think it's all pretty neat. And that's all I have to say about all the phonics ever made. I've got all of them
Stop recording.
ever made, and I'm going to do a comparison video, another comparison video, but this time without a distorted 2002 phonics and a 2007 phonics. The 2002 phonics will still be in it, only it won't sound all distorted like it did in my last comparison video. And I'll have the 2007 phonics, because in my last video, I didn't have the 2007 phonics. And so stay tuned for that. And I will see you later. Bye, guys.